Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary: spike, S-P-I-K-E, deprived, D-E-P-R-I-V-E-D, quash, Q-U-A-S-H, dexterous, D-E-X-T-E-R-O-U-S, spike, put a stop to. We have different meanings for a spike ma. So we will see one by one. A narrow thin shape with a sharp point at one end, a piece of metal, so we can call it as pin. That is one of the meanings for spike. To raise to a higher amount, price level usually, that is also we call it as spike. To make drink stronger by adding alcohol to give flavor, that is also one more meaning of spike. And we haven't discussed this, put a stop to, right? So to decide not to publish an article in a newspaper due to various reasons, that is also called spike. That is what we call it as put a stop to. Synonyms: put an end to, rise, pierce, pin, fasten, price, nail, increase. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: begin, decrease, release, loosen, unfasten, fall, unpin, detach. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: since the article was too controversial, they spiked it. Since the article was too controversial, they spiked it, they stopped it. One more example also can be given. He doubted they would spike the entire effort over this one negotiation. He doubted they would spike the entire effort over this one negotiation. Ma clear? Deprived, disadvantaged, deprived, not having basic needs for a pleasant life such as money, food, shelter, good living conditions, education. So this is what we call it as deprived. Lacking adequate food, shelter, education. Lacking adequate food, education, money. So all these are comes under deprived. One more meaning is also there ma, to remove from a position of power person, that is also called deprived. Synonyms: underprivileged, needy, oust, uncrowned, bankrupt, unseat, unthrown, depose, dethrone, poor, bereave. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: fortunate, bestow, appropriate, give, offer, confer, crown, initiate. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: though Shilpa is a great star, she had a deprived childhood. One more example also can be given. The charity cares for destitute and deprived children. The charity cares for destitute and deprived children. I hope you are clear. Quash, cancel, to forcefully stop something that you do not want to happen. That is a typical one. Remember, if you do not want to happen, so you will stop that one forcefully by whatever the means you are having. That is also we call it as quash. Quash, to forcefully stop something that you do not want to happen. To say officially that something, especially an earlier official decision, is no longer to be accepted. That is what we call it as quash. Cancel. Synonyms: reverse, rescind, annul, to nullify, repress, crush, make void, overturn, put down, to suppress summarily and completely. That is what we call it as quash. Already many we have discussed regarding rescind, annul, void, nullify and overturn. So I don't think so I need to give any further explanation. Hope you are clear. Antonyms: validate, support, permit, let go, encourage, sanction, rebuild, complement. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: he appealed against this conviction and it was quashed. Clear? One more example also can be given. Under those circumstances, we are left with no other option but to quash that order. Clear? Dexterous, deft, having the ability to perform a difficult action quickly and skillfully with the hands. That is what we call it as dexterous. Synonyms: adept, adroit, expert, clever, artful, active, apt, savvy, skilled, nimble. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: stupid, unskilled, awkward, clumsy, inept, unable, inexpert. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the management praised her dexterous handling of the crisis. The management praised her dexterous handling of the crisis. One more example also can be given. My friend is a dexterous drum and piano player. My friend is a dexterous drum and piano player. Hope you are clear with this. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.